Hey everyone, welcome back to Jaltest VLOGs. Right now we're going to go over the manual diagnostics option. That means that when you have a code in the dash, or when you don't have the truck present and you have something you want to diagnose, that's how we're going to proceed. So we can go straight to the manufacturer section in the bottom right. We're going to click on here and then we're going to have access to all the main manufacturers. So in this case we're going to go into Caterpillar, see how it's going. We're going to select our C13 engines, and then we're going to look at the two options. So we have the EPA04 or EPA07. Once we select on the engine that we want to connect to, we see that these buttons come online. This one's going to be the connect button, the select the connector. This one is to connect to the actual system, and this one that looks like hand is your manual diagnostics. When we click on that, first thing that it's going to do is show us the manual diagnostics process. So it tells you that the obtained code must be entered according to the format used by the manufacturer. So this is normally the code that comes out from the OE or that comes out on the dash. So if we go to this top button, we're going to see introduce the manual diagnostics code. Let's take advantage of the example and type that in. So 520193 FMI3. Now the curious thing is that we're not connected to an actual truck, but when we press search for the code with the FMI, it's going to take us directly, like if we were doing a normal diagnostics with the truck present. It tells us the possible fault causes, it tells us the component, temperature and air mass flow sensor, or the CGI system. It'll give us the same options, information about the component in order to be able to troubleshoot it, and it'll even take us to the wiring diagram and your fault code troubleshooting. And that's all without having the truck, just by having the code, what a code is, the SPN, and the FMI. So once again, another feature on how to run diagnostics manually without the vehicle present that'll help you out in your day-to-day. Thank you for joining us, and see you in the next vlog.